Hey everyone, if you want to create and manage tab stacks in Vivaldi Browser in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to group tabs, organize them, and keep your browser clean and efficient. First, tab stacks allow you to group multiple tabs into one single tab container. Yeah, this helps reduce clutter and makes browsing more organized. Start by opening Vivaldi. Drag one tab on top of another tab to create a stack. You can add more tabs to the same stack by dragging them into it. Yeah, all related pages stay grouped together. Click on the tab stack to expand it and view all the tabs inside. Right-click the tab stack and choose Rename. You can name it like Work, Shopping, or Research. Vivaldi also lets you choose different stack views like Compact, Accordion, or two-level tabs. You can easily move tabs from one stack to another by dragging them. Yeah, this helps reorganize quickly. If you want to remove a stack, just close it or drag tabs out to ungroup them. For advanced organization, you can use tab stacks inside workspaces. This gives you powerful multi-level tab management. A common mistake is stacking unrelated tabs. Yeah, this makes it harder to find what you need later. For best results, group tabs by topic like work, study, or entertainment. Also use stack names to stay organized. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create and manage tab stacks in Vivaldi Browser in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.